FHA versus conventional loan. Let's talk about it. Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Sandoval and I am a local realtor here in Winston Salem North Carolina, and I am part of the Smart Move group that's brokered by eXp Realty. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about FHA and conventional loans. So you probably have heard these terms before, but I just wanted to go over them. What are the pros, what are the cons, and see which one might be right for you. Let's get to it. All right, FHA, what does it mean? Well, FHA stands for the Federal Housing Administration Agency, which provides mortgage insurance on single, multi, and manufactured homes. And it's a home mortgage, and an FHA mortgage is backed by the government and is issued by a bank or other lender that is approved by the agency. So the FHA loan is designed to help low to moderate income families attain home ownership, and they are mostly popular with first-time home buyers. And that's because FHA loans do require a lower down payment and a lower credit score compared to conventional loans. So some of the pros of an FHA loan is that you can have a low down payment of 3.5%, and you can also accept gift funds given that it's approved by the underwriting process. You can also take advantage of the different down payment assistance programs that is offered in your state or city. So just make sure that you talk it over with your loan officer to see what works in your case. Another pro would be your credit score. Now, most conventional loans will require a higher credit score of 620 or more, but with FHA, you can get qualified with a credit score of 580. And if you can make a down payment of 10%, you can have a lower credit score of 500. Just make sure you talk that over with your lender and discuss that. So each lender is different. You also have lower closing costs, and a higher debt to income ratio is also accepted. All right, now that we've gone over some of the pros of an FHA loan, let's take a look at some of the cons and disadvantages of FHA loan. So some of the cons of a FHA loan is that you are required to pay a mortgage insurance premium, and that's not to be confused with private mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance premium is required for FHA loans with a down payment of less than 10%. You'll need to pay that premium for the rest of the life of the loan unless you can make that 10% down payment, or in most of the cases, it will end after 11 years. So another con to FHA loan is that there are loan maximum. So an FHA loan might not work for you if you're looking to borrow a large amount of money. According to TotalMortgage.com, the FHA limit was set at $472,000 for single-family home loans, or $1,089,000 for single-family home loans in high-cost areas. You would just have to check with your lender and see what the limit would be for you. So another con, but this is kind of controversial and I'll let you decide for yourself, is that the property does have to pass an appraisal report on the condition. So that means no fixer-uppers. Because this is a government-backed loan, the property must meet certain guidelines, so they're more stricter on the condition of the property. That means no holes in the wall, no chipping paint. You would just, like I said, have to check with your lender and see what those condition requirements would be. And due to the fact that FHA loans are more stricter in the condition of the properties, some sellers are less likely to accept an offer from a buyer that has a FHA loan. Now that we covered some of the pros and cons of FHA loans, let's go ahead and take a look at conventional loan. And before we move forward with conventional loans, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, go to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my socials, and turn the notification on. A conventional loan. So what is a conventional loan? A conventional loan is a type of mortgage loan that is not backed by a US government agency. Conventional loans are originated and backed by private lenders, banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions. According to the US Census data, they are the most common type of mortgage loan in the US. And because they are not backed by a US government agency, they can be more challenging to qualify for. So some of the pros of a conventional mortgage loan is that they come with a fixed interest rate, or you can do an adjustable rate mortgage, but that can go up or down, and it would depend on the market. And they can usually go up to 2 points, and it's usually about every 3 to 5 years that they adjust, but you would just have to speak with your lender and see what works best for you. You also have more control over your private mortgage insurance, and your payments for that will automatically stop once your home reaches 22% of equity. And you're probably wondering, what is home equity? Well, home equity, the difference between the amount you owe on your property versus the current market value of that property. Another pro of a conventional loan is that you can borrow a larger sum of money compared to an FHA loan. Depending on your credit score, you can borrow up to 1.5 million or even $3 million. Like I said, just check with your lender and see what you qualify for. Okay, so what are some of the cons or disadvantages of conventional loan? Well, unlike FHA that you can have a 500 credit score if you can make that 10% down payment, of course, with conventional loans, you do need to have a higher credit score of 620 or more. And that will all depend on the lender you're working with. And if you need a lender recommendation, feel free to contact me. You can email me, text me, or you can give me a call and I can give you some great recommendations here in the Winston-Salem, North Carolina area. Another thing else is that many mortgage lenders will not approve you for a conventional loan if you have a debt to income ratio higher than 45%. On the other hand, with the FHA loans, on some occasions, you can be approved with the debt to income ratio that's at 50%. So it all depends on the lender you're working with and your situation, of course. And now that we covered the pros and cons of each a conventional loan and an FHA loan, which one works for you? An FHA loan might be good for you if your credit score is not that high, or you don't have that big cash reserve. And this is especially good for first-time home buyers who are looking to get that first property. And you know, it's just really hard. Situations happen. So definitely check with the lender and ask about FHA and see if that would work better for you. Now, on the other hand, if you're looking to buy a luxury home or something high-end, then a conventional loan is definitely the one for you. And if you have all the cash reserve and you have a great credit score, then definitely go for the conventional loan, which will save you a lot of money down the road. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go subscribe to my channel, turn them notifications on. And if you have any questions, or if you're looking to buy your first property, or if you know somebody looking to buy their first property, feel free to reach out to me or give them my contact information. You can call me, you can email me, you can even text me. I'll be more than happy to help. All right, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on all my socials and I'll see you on the next one.